What is going on, Coaster Spotters? It is Alex, and we are back at Prosper Town Lake for another construction update of Jersey Devil. This is update number 18, and first we're gonna rewind a week to the 12th and check out a frozen lake and nice little time lapse, and then we'll get into it. All right, now that we're back, it is the 19th, and we can see that Lift Hill track is going up. We're gonna see the progress throughout today and the rest of the week until this thing is pretty much done with its track, and then hopefully we'll come back for some other updates in the near future. And now we can see that the track has been completed all the way up to the Lift Hill, so not much left to do. The park did share a construction update, so most of the track installation is now finished. So lots of catwalks in the station to do, and a lot more progress to go, and we'll take a better look at it eventually. So as we can see, they have now disattached the crane from the Lift Hill track piece and now are getting ready, looks like, to lift another piece. There we go, another track piece on the Lift Hill going up. I don't think we'll see the top off today. Not sure what they're going to do next, if they're going to work from the bottom of the first drop, or if they're going to go ahead and top it off before they finish the first drop. It could go either way. All right, it's 3 o'clock, so not much has happened in the last 5 hours. So looks like the crane is going down and they're done for the evening. So we'll be back tomorrow at the crack of dawn. Thanks for watching The Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow.